Alright guys, here's a quick video of the Lex exhaust system compared to the stock on a 2007 YZ250F. I'm going to do some sound tests for you and we'll let you know how performance is in the description. It's a stock. Get to see the size of it, whatever. Right now there's a quiet core insert with the baffle, whatever. Take that out. Show you the sound of that as well. So this is a disassembly of how to take off the baffle, the quiet core insert, whatever you want to call it.
All the interchangeable parts.
What size are these Allen heads?
4mm.
4mm. And there's 3 of them. Top, bottom.
Okay, and here are the 3 interchangeable parts. First you got the little cone piece. See, there's nothing in there. Then you got the racing tip. Then you got the quiet core insert. Wow, what the hell is this?
That's packing.
Well, it looks like I need to pack my pipe.
It's just 2 pieces, that and the cap.
Now we're going to place our 3 Allen head screws.
And now you can hurry up and put that shit on. It's slip on, comes with the mid pipe. You've got this Lex band to go around it, holds it up right here. And for those questions about using silicone, it comes with different sized, whatever these are.
Those head rings.
The head rings, I can't think right now. It comes with those if you want to put like on a 450 or something, or if it doesn't fit the header.
Fits any of the WRs and YZs.
Whatever the problem is, it'll have a size fit for it. Put that ring on first, and then you put the mid pipe on top, and then you have to put silicone all around the inside, let it dry up for a day or so, and then it's ready to go. You've also got these little springs that hold on to it, pipe and the mid pipe. Here's those extra things I was telling you about. Go on right there, different size, whatever.
You just put on whatever fits.